Oh, 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 his blood! Oh, his blood! She killed me!
The second one I'll shoot straight to your head. And you know that I can do it without even flinching. So what were they after? What were they after?
I don't know what to say. I think they were looking for a body.
A body, you say? Is it Abdallah's body?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
How did they find out about that?
I swear to God, I didn't tell them anything.
I know you didn't, otherwise they would have come down here. But it's only you and me who know about this business. I haven't told anybody. So you must have shouted your mouth off somewhere. Who did you tell?
I told a young boy.
You told a young boy?
That night that you killed Abdullah, I got scared stiff. The whole night his spirit walked up and down in front of me. And that's why I thought you were planning to kill me and my Munez. So we went to put ourselves out of our misery and kill ourselves.
Damn you, you're such an idiot. What have you done?
Well, I was scared out of my wits. What else could I have done?
You're detestable. If I wanted to, I would have laid you down next to that other one right from the start. Why would I bother killing a runt like you? You're a nobody!
To run. Honestly, the whole thing's over. They came and searched every nook and cranny, but it's over now.
Oh, the hell they did. Sure, they've gone.
Yes, they've gone. There's nothing to worry about.
If you don't mind, I'm going to ask you a question. Try to give me the correct answer. I won't give you any chances. Did you mention my name?
No, of course not.
You better not be lying.
I did.
God damn you to hell. God damn you to hell. I was sure you did. I saw that man, the policeman from the roof. They're coming for me.
I swear to you, I didn't say anything. Your name just came out. And not your own name, Natasha. But I didn't say who you were, what you are, and what your relationship to me is.
There was no need for you to say it. That lad Hassan only knew my name, my professional one. Natasha. When they heard the name Natasha from the boy, their antennas started moving. They sniffed their way right here. They won't leave this house or street alone now. I have to finish off my deal. God strike you down. Look what you've done now, you idiot.
I can get you out of here if you want.
But how? Tell me.
I'll sit you in Muna's place in the wheelchair. And push you out the front door and down the street, you see. As easy as that.
Oh, yes. Maybe you're right. It's possible. I mean, I think it's possible. But I have 2 suitcases and a lot of money in dollars. What should I do with them? I can't just carry them out, I can't.
Not your suitcases. But I can get the money and dollars out for you. There's plenty of space under Muna's wheelchair. We can fit all of it under there now. I've done it before, you know.
Oscar Kopak is still the same Oscar Kopak. Your brain still works, my old friend. Go and bring the wheelchair.
No, I can't bring the wheelchair. You can pick up your stuff and we'll go.
Hello, sir. What on earth are you doing here? Majid said come over and have your meal.
What have you done with the cameras?
I fixed them on the street.
Very well. Sit down. Give them some. Make that 2, make that 1. Give me the wireless. Roger that. We're nearly there. All right, stand by. Huh. You told us to hurry up. I know what I said, all right? But he hasn't set off yet. There's nothing I can do.
Yeah, all right, buddy. What's up? Why are you jumping down my throat?
No news, then?
No. There's no sound.
Where has he gone? You don't think he's found the microphones, do you?
No, there's a humming sound, but no ooh sound.
It's really strange. You know, it's taking way too long. Put her voice on again.
Come here for a minute. I want to talk to you.
A command and from a higher position. But why would he have taken so long to get there?
I can hear somebody walking.
Captain, sir. He's coming to the garden.
Very well. That's it. I'm out of here. Just be very careful, okay, guys?
Sure.
Megdad 1, Megdad 2. Hajar, are you behind me? I'm following him. He's going into the metro.
I heard you. Right behind you.
Megdad, where are you?
Just hang on for a second. I've lost him. Come on.
What is it, sir?
find out where he is.
Meg Dub, where are you?
Roger, Hajar. Listen. He's gone into the lift. He's in the lift coming down. I'm waiting for him by the door. Just keep out of his way, okay? He knows you.
Okay.
Over. There he is. Let's go.
Train number 27, leaving platform 4.
The police are following us. It's not good.
Where? Which policeman?
The policeman that's after me. The one that came to your house. He won't give up.
Where is he?
Don't turn back, idiot!
What shall we do then?
Just keep going for now. Stop behind the first pillar you come to, I'll get out. Our meeting place is on the bridge above the platform of Tehran Karaj train. You keep going straight on. Just keep going. Go, go!
Tell me about it. I'm running late.
Headquarters, Hajar!
Get out! Get out! Move out of the way!
What's going on?
There seems to have been some shooting.
Let's go.
Hunter! She got me too, man.
What the hell is going on here? What is it you're doing in here? Huh? I could hear you laughing from the top of the road. Why aren't you at work? Why aren't you watching the damn place? Huh?
There's no one in the house, sir. Asghar and his wife have gone out, and Captain Jalali has gone after him.
He's gone out? He's not dead, is he? He might come back.
Well, if he comes back, Captain Jalali will inform us.
Captain Jalali is in the hospital. Captain Hosseini is there as well. And the one who helped put them there is that lowlife whose house you were supposed to be watching. Anyway, get back to work. I'm sorry, boys. I'm not feeling too well. Are you sure he hasn't come back yet?
Yes, sir. We kept our eyes on the monitor. If he'd come back, we would have seen him.
Okay, then. Sit down.
He's back, Colonel, sir.
That piece of scum.
Colonel, sir, the telephone's ringing.
Headquarters, stand by. The phone's ringing. Check it out. Pick it up. Pick it up.
They hung up.
Colonel, sir, he didn't pick up. There's nothing we can do till he picks up.
Yes, I know. Thank you very much.
What happened?
It's nothing.
What kind of wound was it?
Come out with me, please. Who informed you?
His friends informed me about it.
There's no need for you to worry. He won't be your husband, and you're not going to be stuck with him. It would be better if you just get a divorce. Hello, Doctor.
Hello, madam.
How's my brother coming along?
The wound itself wasn't all that serious, and the operation itself was successful. What's important is that the murder weapon was poisonous. And we're not sure yet which part of the brain has been affected by the poison. We'll just have to wait.
Till when?
Till he regains consciousness. Till he can move the different organs in his body. Speak, see, and recognize the people around him. Remember past events. And it also depends on which part of the brain has been affected and damaged by this poison.
Hello, Commander.
Hello. How are they?
Actually, I don't know what to say. Please go in.
Dr. Gorbani. Dr. Gorbani, surgery.
Hello.
Hello, Commander.
Don't get up. How are you?
I'm doing fine. It was only a minor wound, sir. And there shouldn't be too much wrong with Ali either.
But there is. The knife was poisonous, and the poison has got into his blood.
What?
Excuse me, I have to go now.
Tell me, Doctor. What can be done?
I explained things to them.
The only explanation he gave me was that we just have to wait and see what it's done to him. Turn on the siren and drive back.
Yeah, no problem. What's going on? What is it? What do you want? What's happening? What is it?
So you won't open the door now?
What do you mean? Let's go. Where are you taking me? What do you want? What's going on? No, sir.
Now listen to me. I'm not feeling good at all today. I'm wounded and my friend is in the hospital. His condition is unclear and I'm feeling low-spirited and not at all in the mood for listening to nonsense. Whatever I ask you, listen and answer me properly.
Sure.
So, you're saying you took your wife out for a bit of fresh air?
Yes, sir. We got on the metro, and went to town for a look around. And we got off at Hassanabad station, and I took her into the park and we had a walk around, and then we went home.
And nothing happened during that time?
Like what?
Someone, something, a commotion, an accident didn't attract your attention?
No. Well, the town's always busy, sir. And the metro's even worse. But nothing out of the ordinary, so it wouldn't attract our attention.
Get up and get out of here.
Hello there, sir.
Hello there. Hurry up.
Where shall we go?
Wherever you want. You're free to go.
The colonel here says I can go.
You can go.
Don't tell me you want to stay here.
Oh, no, sir. Thanks very much. Goodbye to you.
I'll see you around.
Goodbye now.
Let me give you a piece of advice. Make sure you keep your wits about you so that, God forbid, you don't get into trouble and step out of line.
Sure.
Your name is Asgar Kopach, isn't it?
Yeah.
Kopach means dog in Turkish, is that right?
Well, yeah. My enemies, they gave me that name.
So make sure you don't speak to anyone in a loud voice, let alone bark or bite in their presence. You sell liver, don't you?
Yes, sir, that's right.
Make sure you never sell anyone bad liver. Because from now on, I myself am going to be watching you. Day in, day out. If you step out of line, I'll send you to no man's land. Have you got that?
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Colonel, sir, that guy...
Wait a minute. Lieutenant!
Yes, sir.
Tell them to let him out.
Yes, sir. Sergeant, lead him out now.
Goodbye now. They said that Captain Jalali is in the hospital. Is that right?
That's right.
Was he hurt in a bad way? He'll be all right, though.
Pray that he'll be all right. Otherwise, I'll make you wish you'd never been born. I swear to God, if my brother doesn't make a full recovery, I'll make the life of you and that despicable woman misery beyond your imagining. Now get out of here.
There's no doubt in your mind that it was Natasha who attacked the pair of you.
No.
No, I saw her myself.
So what we need to find out is how she suddenly turned up in the metro out of the blue.
It was strange, because it looked like Asgar Kopak was going to see her, sir.
Lieutenant, let's see the footage. Watch this. We got this when he was leaving the house with his wife. Now look at this. This is when he was coming home. As you can see, the wheelchair is empty. There's no one in it.
So where did he leave his wife, then?
Are we sure he took his wife with him?
If he didn't take her, Then who was it that sat in the wheelchair?
Watch it one more time.
The one who's in the wheelchair isn't his wife at all.
So it was Natasha then?
Yes, it was Natasha who got out of the wheelchair and shot you and knifed Jalali.
So that's why you freed Asgar and let him go, sir?
That's right. At the moment, the only connection we have with that woman is Asgar Kopach. If we kept him here, we would have no way to get to her.
So what do we do now?
The only thing we can do now is keep Asgar Kopach under surveillance day and night, and hope that Natasha will get in touch with him very soon.
The telephone is ringing, sir.
Headquarters, stand by. It looks like he's got a phone call.
Yes.
What do you mean, yes, you fool? Where the hell have you been?
Where do you think I was? In the police station. In the interrogation room.
But why were you at the station?
The woman asked me, but why? But why? You maimed 2 officers, and now you're asking me, but why? They were looking for you, weren't they?
So how far did they get?
Nowhere. They gave up on it. But I think they realized that you were sitting in Munez's place. They just don't have any evidence.
Why didn't you come to the meeting point?
I couldn't get the female officer off my back. She's really stubborn. She's the wife of one of the officers. Whenever I went, she was right behind me. The moment I reached the meeting point, I saw that she set her eyes on you and she shot at you with her gun. When I saw you run off, I somehow managed to get myself back home. But they came and arrested me 2 minutes later.
What about the stuff I left with you?
Rest assured now, they're in a safe place.
I want to come and get them.
No. Don't show your face around here. They're crawling all over the street.
So you bring them to me?
It's not possible at the moment. There's no way I can get them out of the house. I can't even bring them in the wheelchair. They're suspicious of that as well.
So what can I do then?
Give it a couple of days. Things might blow over a bit.
Megdad 1, headquarters. Megdad 1, headquarters.
Headquarters, McDad?
We tracked her down. She's calling from inside a restaurant.
Look, Oscar, if you touch even a small bit of what I left there...
I can assure you, I have enough common sense not to go up against a loony like you. Oh my God, look what you did today. It's enough that I haven't lost my mind.
That's enough. I'll get in touch with you tomorrow.
Okay. Hey, Turan. I say, have you got anywhere to stay tonight?
Why is that? You're worried about me now?
Well, whatever else, you're still like a daughter, aren't you? I mean, a daughter of Munis is like a daughter of mine.
You should have thought about that 15 years ago. Hello. Yusefi!
Stay where you are.
Hello. What do you mean?
I said stay where you are.
Where are you?
Go over to her.
Sir, I'm sorry. The men couldn't get to her. The woman is gone.
Thank you very much. You did your best.
Where on earth have you been? We were supposed to meet an hour ago.
I was here right on the hour.
So why didn't you come forward?
For the very reason you've just seen. They just passed by right now.
It had nothing to do with us.
But it did, Natasha. Of course you know that very well.
Look, Yusefi, I am very tired now. I'm not feeling too good and I'm not in the mood for arguing. I told you today that I'm ready to make a deal. And I'm saying it again now. Can you make arrangements for this deal or not?
Of course I can. Madam.